What's up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studios. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to put 4GB of one file in your USB. So without wasting of any time, let's get started. So guys, whenever I try to put one single file of 4GB, then it'll show me this error. So whenever you got this error, then click on cancel. Then go back to your computer or this PC. Before doing anything, make sure you have backup of all those files which you've kept in your USB. Then continue. Now right click on your USB drive and then click on Format. Now change its file system to NTFS, allocation unit size to default allocation size. Then click on Start. If you see this message, click OK. If you see this other message, click Yes. After clicking on it, your formatting will be started. When the format is done, then click OK. Now try to put that single 4GB of file in your USB and then see does it works. Now as you guys can see, we have put it that single file of 4GB into USB. So that's all for now. Meet you in another videos. Till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's